Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by combining essential prerequisites with immediate action. Get a fashion-focused CAD and install tutorials. Learn core pattern language, grain line, notches, seam allowance, so your designs behave predictably. Once installed, import a simple block and trace it. Make sure to set units and scale to inches or centimeters. Practice one basic sleeve and one bodice. Export a PDF pattern to print. This first work trains your eye for digital drafting and reveals software quirks that you'll fix in later steps. Once done with block drafting, dive into mid-level execution. Refine curves, adjust anchor points, and use transform tools to create repeatable pattern variations. Then move from 2D to 3D simulation to understand how fabric stretch percent and weight affect fit. Make sure to test different drape settings. Practice grading across a size range and generate markers for cutting to reduce waste. You'll alternate between modeling and simulation. That loop teaches cause and effect, so you avoid guesswork when finalizing garments. To finish, prepare production-ready files, export DXF for cutters and PDF for hand assembly, and label pieces clearly. Perform a quality check, verify seam allowance, notches, and grain line. Allow a tolerance, for example 1 centimeter, when comparing to testers. If things go wrong, resolve common issues. Reset scale if patterns print incorrectly, repair mesh errors in 3D if simulation collapses, and reapply accurate fabric presets when fit looks off. Finally, iterate with a physical sample and update your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.